Are you ready to step into your dream home? Look no further. Get ready to explore a captivating and stylish brand new 3-bedroom bungalow designed to exceed your expectations. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a spacious living area where natural light floods the room, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Imagine waking up in one of the 3 exquisitely designed bedrooms, each complete with its own ensuite bathroom. This bungalow features a modern and spacious kitchen, perfect for creating mouth-watering meals. The backyard offers a generous space for outdoor activities. Situated behind Ojodu Grammar School, this bungalow is nestled in the heart of Ojodu-Berger. This incredible property comes with a 240 square meter land size, with a family receipt and a global certificate of occupancy. The asking price, an unbeatable 60 million naira. The chance to call this exquisite bungalow your home is just a phone call away. WhatsApp or call us now on +234 803 822 1196 or +234 816 245 3829.